Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Rocky Road ice cream. I will be using the Ample Hills Creamery cookbook. This ice cream place is in Brooklyn and it's one of my favorites. It's really good. 1 cup of cocoa powder unsweetened. Guitar is my favorite brand to use for chocolate. It's just really good. 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate wafers, or just any chocolate that you can melt. 1.5 cups of cane sugar. 1/2 cup of skim milk powder, 1 3/4 cup of whole milk, 1 3/4 cup of heavy cream, 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
You can add as many almonds and marshmallows as you would like.
Our first step is to bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Once it's boiling, we are going to remove it from the heat, and we are going to add 3/4 of a cup of our sugar, cocoa powder, and we are going to whisk it together. Now we are going to add our chocolate and whisk it until it's melted. Now we are going to set this aside to cool and move on to our next steps. Prepare an ice bath. Now we're going to turn our heat on in a clean saucepan, and we are going to whisk together our whole milk, the rest of our sugar, and our skim milk powder, and we're going to whisk it until the milk powder dissolves. Stir in our heavy cream. Now we're going to put a candy thermometer in, and we're going to wait until it gets to 110 degrees, and we are going to constantly stir it with a rubber spatula. So now that the mixture is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit, we are going to turn the heat off and move on to our next step. Our next step is to take 1/2 cup of our milk mixture and whisk it into the eggs really fast. You want to make sure that you don't scramble the eggs. So now we are going to add our egg mixture back in here, and we are going to turn the heat on and wait till it gets to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that our milk mixture has reached 165 degrees, we're going to turn the heat off. We're now going to add a teaspoon of vanilla to the mixture. We're going to add our chocolate mixture to the milk mixture, and it looks really good. It's super thick and glossy. Just going to mix them together until it turns into one color. Going to put the whole thing into the ice bath and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes, and we're going to take our ice cream out of the ice bath, and we're going to strain it and put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. It's been 2 hours, and now we are ready to put our ice cream in the ice cream machine. So we're just going to fill it up halfway. Now that our ice cream is done, it's nice and airy, we're going to add our almonds and marshmallows, and these are frozen so it doesn't melt the ice cream. I'm not going to add the whole thing. Our ice cream is finally done, and it looks really, really good, and now it's time to taste it. It's super rich and creamy, and the guitar chocolate gives it a perfect chocolate flavor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. Bye!
Okay, take it.
Nate, I don't know. I can't stop smiling. Wait, no. It looks really good. It's super rich and creamy, and the Qatar chocolate makes it really chocolatey. The marshmallows and almonds give it a good texture. Stop! Yeah, we need to do it. Stop it. Stop.